Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. My name is Jessica, and I am very happy to have you here today. If you want to improve your English listening skills, speaking skills, vocabulary, and confidence, then you are in the right place. Today's lesson is Daily English Conversations Office English Practice. Many English learners want to speak English confidently at work. Whether you work in an office, a company, a store, or any professional environment, learning office English can help you communicate more effectively. In today's lesson, we will practice common office conversations, useful workplace vocabulary, and natural English expressions that people use every day at work. So sit back, relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me whenever possible. The more you listen, the more natural English will become. Imagine that it is Monday morning. You arrive at the office and see your coworkers. One of them smiles and says good morning. You reply with a friendly greeting and ask how their weekend was. This simple exchange helps create a positive work environment. Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. Good morning. Thank you. I had a relaxing weekend. How about you? I had a wonderful weekend too. I spent time with my family and prepared for the week ahead. These short conversations may seem simple, but they are an important part of workplace communication. Greeting colleagues politely helps build strong professional relationships. Now, imagine that you arrive at your desk and begin organizing your work for the day. Your manager approaches and asks about a project. Good morning, Jessica. How is the project coming along? The project is progressing well. I completed most of the tasks yesterday and plan to finish the remaining work today. That sounds great. Please keep me updated. Of course, I will send you a progress report this afternoon. In many offices, employees regularly discuss projects, deadlines, and progress updates. Learning these expressions can help you communicate professionally. Let's learn some useful office vocabulary. Meeting, deadline, report, project, manager, coworker, presentation, schedule, email, task. These words are commonly used in workplaces around the world. Now let's imagine another situation. You need help from a coworker. Excuse me, could you help me with this report? Certainly. What do you need help with? I am having trouble understanding these numbers. No problem. Let me take a look. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Asking for help politely is an important workplace skill. Instead of saying help me, it is usually better to say, could you help me? Or would you mind helping me? Let's move on to a meeting scenario. A team meeting is about to begin. Everyone gathers in the conference room. Good morning, everyone. Let's start today's meeting. First, let's review our progress from last week. Our sales increased by 10% compared to the previous month. That's excellent news. Next, let's discuss our goals for this week. We plan to launch the new marketing campaign on Friday. Great. Let's work together to make it successful. Meetings are an essential part of office life. During meetings, people share ideas, discuss plans, solve problems, and make decisions. Now, imagine that you receive an email from a colleague. Hello, Jessica. Could you please review the attached document and share your feedback before tomorrow afternoon? Thank you. You reply politely. Hello. Thank you for sending the document. I will review it today and provide my feedback before tomorrow afternoon. Best regards, Jessica. Professional emails should be clear, polite, and concise. Let's talk about office schedules. Many employees have busy schedules filled with meetings, tasks, and deadlines. Imagine a coworker asking, "Are you available this afternoon?" Unfortunately, I have several meetings scheduled this afternoon. How about tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning works perfectly for me. Great. Let's meet at 10 o'clock. Learning how to discuss schedules helps you organize your work efficiently. Now, imagine that you are working on an important presentation. Your manager asks, "Are you ready for tomorrow's presentation?" Almost. I just need to make a few final adjustments. Excellent. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Thank you. I've worked very hard on it. Presentations are common in many workplaces. They allow employees to share information, ideas, and project results. Let's imagine a conversation about teamwork. I appreciate everyone's hard work on this project. Thank you. It was truly a team effort. We achieved great results because everyone contributed. I completely agree. Successful workplaces depend on teamwork. Employees who communicate effectively and support one another often achieve better results. Now let's discuss problem solving. Sometimes challenges arise at work. When they do, professional communication becomes even more important. We have encountered a problem with the delivery schedule. What happened? The shipment has been delayed by 2 days. That's unfortunate. What can we do? Let's contact the supplier and discuss alternative solutions. That sounds like a good plan. Notice how the conversation remains calm and professional. Effective communication helps solve problems more efficiently. Now, imagine that you are speaking with a new employee. Welcome to the team. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. We're happy to have you with us. I appreciate the warm welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you. I certainly will. Making new employees feel welcome helps create a positive workplace culture. Let's talk about office phone conversations. Good afternoon. This is Jessica speaking. Hello, Jessica. This is Michael from the finance department. How can I help you today? I would like to discuss the budget report. Certainly. What would you like to know? Could we schedule a meeting tomorrow? Absolutely. Tomorrow afternoon works well for me. Professional phone communication requires clear pronunciation and polite language. Now let's imagine a busy workday. You arrive early, check your emails, attend meetings, complete tasks, and communicate with coworkers throughout the day. During lunch, you have a conversation with a colleague. How has your day been so far? It's been quite busy, but productive. That's good to hear. How about your day? I've been working on a new project. That sounds interesting. Lunch breaks often provide opportunities for casual conversations and relationship building. Let's discuss workplace goals. Many employees set professional goals to improve their skills and advance their careers. What are your goals for this year? I want to improve my leadership skills and take on more responsibilities. That's a great goal. Thank you. I'm working hard to achieve it. Setting goals helps employees stay motivated and focused. Now, imagine preparing for an important deadline. The deadline is approaching quickly. How much work remains? Most of the work is finished. We just need to complete the final review. Excellent. Let's stay focused and finish strong. Deadlines are a normal part of office life. Good planning helps teams meet deadlines successfully. Let's practice another conversation. Could you send me the latest version of the report? Of course. I'll email it to you right away. Thank you. No problem. Simple workplace interactions happen dozens of times every day. Now, imagine discussing performance with your manager. You've done an excellent job this quarter. Thank you. I appreciate your feedback. Your dedication and attention to detail have been impressive. That means a lot to me. Positive feedback motivates employees and encourages continued growth. Let's talk about workplace learning. Successful professionals never stop learning. Are you attending the training session next week? Yes, I am. What is the topic? It's about improving communication skills. That sounds very useful. I think so too. Training programs help employees develop new skills and stay competitive. Now, imagine working with an international team. Good communication becomes even more important when team members come from different countries and cultures. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's video conference. Good morning from London. Good afternoon from Singapore. Good evening from Sydney. It's wonderful to have everyone here. Modern workplaces often connect people from all around the world. Let's discuss office etiquette. Professional behavior includes arriving on time, respecting others, listening carefully, and communicating politely. Employees who demonstrate professionalism often earn trust and respect from colleagues and managers. Imagine arriving late to a meeting. I'm sorry for being late. Thank you for letting us know. Please take a seat. I appreciate your understanding. Simple expressions of courtesy help maintain professionalism. Now let's talk about motivation. Every workplace has busy periods and challenging moments. Staying positive can make a significant difference. We have a lot of work to do this week. Yes, but I believe we can handle it. I agree. Let's stay organized and support each other. Absolutely. Positive attitudes often improve team performance. Let's imagine the end of a workday. You've completed your tasks and are preparing to leave. Have a great evening, everyone. Thank you. You too. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ending the day politely helps maintain strong workplace relationships. As English learners, office conversations provide excellent practice opportunities. The language is practical, useful, and relevant to everyday professional situations. Try practicing these expressions aloud. Good morning. How can I help you? Could you assist me? Let's schedule a meeting. Thank you for your help. I'll send you an email. Let's review the project. Great job. I appreciate your feedback. Have a wonderful day. The more you repeat these phrases, the more confident you will become. Remember that communication is not about speaking perfect English. It is about expressing your ideas clearly and confidently. Many successful professionals around the world speak English as a second language. They continue improving by listening, practicing, and using English regularly. Every conversation is an opportunity to learn. Every meeting is an opportunity to improve. Every email is an opportunity to practice professional communication. As you continue your English learning journey, focus on consistency. Listen to English every day. Practice speaking every day. Learn a few new words each day. Small daily improvements can lead to remarkable progress over time. Office English is especially valuable because it can help you succeed professionally. Strong communication skills can improve teamwork, increase confidence, and create new career opportunities. Imagine yourself speaking confidently in meetings, participating in discussions, giving presentations, and communicating effectively with colleagues. With regular practice, this goal can become a reality. Thank you so much for joining me today on Learning English USA. I hope this daily English conversations, office English practice lesson has helped you improve your listening skills, expand your vocabulary, and gain confidence in workplace English. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Every day is another opportunity to become a better English speaker. I'm Jessica, and I truly appreciate the time you spent learning with me today. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Stay motivated, and I will see you again in our next English lesson. Goodbye, everyone, and happy learning.